Yep, I created a digital version of myself that talks, sells, and teaches 24/7, and I didn't even have to break a sweat getting on camera to do it. Here's how I made mine in less than an hour. Get you a pen and pad because you're not going to want to miss this. It's too easy. I'm Latoria, the digital creator behind InMy.DigitalBag. I help creators like you turn AI tools into income streams without burning out or showing up on camera and not feeling or looking your best. Because, baby, we ain't got time for that. What I am doing is I'm getting my certification in Google Digital Marketing. And everything I share, everything that I'll be using is everything that I'll be learning and bringing to you through my AI avatar. So stay tuned because all the tools and trainings I mentioned are going to be linked at store.iliveforlife.com. Okay, so I don't know if anyone has told you or not already. So if they haven't, I will. This is not just about creating. We are having fun. We are being creative. Yes. But this is also about monetizing. Did you hear what I said? Send me the number, the money. Let's talk about the money, honey. First of all, you are going to monetize your channel, whether it's YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, whatever it is, you are going to have a faceless channel that is going to have revenue. Then you can also have affiliate links such as with Digital Wealth Academy. You can get Digital Wealth Academy. They have built everything. You don't need to do anything but learn. And in doing so, when you share that information, you get a commission. So for instance, you purchase the program and then you can get a commission when someone else purchases behind you with an affiliate link. Okay, digital products, newsletters, courses, trainings, whatever it is that you want to create, you are going to monetize it. And for that, I'm going to show you my own course, How to Make Money with Talking AI Avatars. This is going to teach you the entire process from start to finish. Step 1. I asked my ChatGPT to help me create a talking AI avatar prompt. This prompt is specific to what I wanted it to look like because I wanted my AI to sound like me as well. I just don't like being on camera and I want it to be faceless. So I asked it to create distinct features, distinct identity traits that my avatar could relate back to me in style and personality. Step 2, I took my prompt and I put it into a free AI generator. I use PickLemon for this one. You can convert your text into images or video. Step 3, I added motion graphics with Hail UOAI.video. Step 4, you can always do face swap using Face Swap AI. And step 5, you can go to Dreamface and you can put audio to your visual. And then it puts it all together. So you're actually seeing my AI, but hearing my real voice, which I think is super cool. So I thought to myself, why even make content creation hard? You may as well have fun with it. You may as well make content that engages your audience. Here's where you can get creative. If you're wanting to change the vibe, the scene, the accessories, the characteristics, the personality of your avatar, you can do that. You can go crazy with it. I'm not going to tell you how crazy, but you can go crazy with it. And with that, you can always be ever changing, ever updating, and never having stale content. Here's where you can get creative. If you're wanting to change, and if you're wanting to do podcasts, shows, if you wanted to do it without showing your face, I promise you it does take a little time, but you can get the hang of it super fast and it's too easy. I'm building this in public, so join me. Subscribe, comment your questions, follow my journey, and I will show you how to work less and earn more with AI. Remember, you don't need to be the face, just the brain. Subscribe for weekly tools, tutorials, templates. Get in your digital bag.